Hey guys, what's up? It's Louie here, and today we're going to be unboxing the very brand new Fellow Ode Brew Grinder. I know that these are really new on the market, and I'm super excited to unbox it. Let's check it out. You guys, this was so freaking cool to unbox. I don't think I've ever been more excited to unbox anything. I did support this on Kickstarter about a year ago, so it's just so nice to actually have it in my hands. What's really awesome is just look at this clean, nice, modern design, very boxy. I love the matte finish on it. It's really cool. As you can go ahead, you can see the front of it there. It does have 31 grind settings along with, I believe, two 64 millimeter flat grade burrs. So you're gonna get some really nice precision on this. It is a single dose for your coffee beans, so you can only put in, I don't know what you would normally do for a single dose. What's really awesome is if you take a look at this right here, they included almost like a little guide on what number or what grind setting to put based on whatever you are brewing. So you have some cold brew, French press, electric coffee maker, pour over, AeroPress. So you got some really awesome stuff here. I'm super excited. Something to also note about this is it is available for pre-order on fellowproducts.com at $299. This is not a sponsored video, but I just love their design, and it is just, I am so excited to make coffee in the morning with this. Something that's also really cool too is you can see that this catcher is actually magnetic, so you get it kind of just approximately in the right area, and you can see that. Check that out. Super cool. So it locks on. It does have a knocker on this side, so that's going to be for once you're done grinding your coffee and there's some flakes or whatever it might be on the side there, you can just knock that and the rest of your coffee would go in there. Right here is the start button, so you could see that. You just push it once and then it goes ahead and it grinds all the beans, and then it automatically stops, which is really, really nice if you're running in the morning, or you're running late, you just want to grind it real quick and not just have to stay there. I know it is more quiet than most coffee grinders, so that's also really awesome if you have a significant other that might be sleeping or roommates. So I'm really excited to use this. I don't know if you guys can see that. If you like what you saw or have any questions regarding this, I would love to help you out. I do live stream on Twitch Tuesdays and Thursdays from 7 to 11. Feel free to come by. I'll put the link in the description, and I'll see you there. Thanks, guys.